welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome to your daily style edit, honey, where I give you your daily dose of style and tips as well. Now, baby, today we're going to be talking about shorts because it's hot outside. And we're going to talk about all different types of shorts that you can wear, from your tailored shorts to Bermuda shorts, to your booty shorts if you want to wear those shorts, okay? So I actually picked one style of shorts that I'm going to go in and show you all today. And these shorts are actually more of like a tailored look, and you can mix and match with different tops with these shorts, okay, cousins? Hey, cousins, so if y'all is new over here on this channel, honey, I'm Shauna T, and over here, baby, we talk about Jesus, we talk about plus size fashion, and everything in between, and just living life over 40, honey, having fun. All right, y'all? Let's get off into the look that I'm actually wearing right now. So, honey, I always know I start from head to toe. So, of course, y'all seen this wig multiple times. Honey, if you new here, baby, this wig, she's a staple on the channel, okay? As you guys know, it came from Amazon, and then it was customized by my good friend, the Erica Marie. Now, y'all, this top, I have several of these tops that y'all have probably seen me wear. I have a pink one like this. I also have a black and white polka dot top like this as well. And then I have this white one. This top actually came from Eloquii. Okay, it is super cute. It is super fun. I love the sleeves on it. The top, it does have stretch in it. Now, here is what I will say. If you do not want to show just a little bit of your stomach, size up, okay? The top I have on is a size 24. I have it on in a size 24. So I don't have no problem showing a little bit of my stomach, okay? I don't have no problem doing that at all. But if you do want that extra coverage, I do recommend that you go in and size up, all right? I love these big poofy sleeves, so this is perfect for my cousins who may be self-conscious about your arms. Now, please, when you wear this top, please put on a strapless bra. I've talked about this a lot. Put on a strapless bra. Now, listen, y'all, in this video, I did not have on a strapless bra because I was changing clothes. I'm just going to be real with y'all. So I just took my bra straps and I just tucked them down in there. So that's probably why y'all see a black bra, because I was not finna go and redo all them clothes. I was like, I'm just gonna tell y'all, put on a strapless bra, put you on a bandeau to give you some extra support. Remember, that hat came from Miss Christie, or Trendy Curvy. That is her name on Instagram and also TikTok. So, maybe I had to put that disclaimer out there because sometimes they be coming for you in the comments, okay? Now, these shorts are, like I said, are more of a tailored style short. They do have pockets on them, and they do have elastic in the waist. Now, I did go up a size in these shorts because these shorts came from Pretty Little Things. And if y'all know anything about Pretty Little Things, sometimes they size and be and be like when it comes to their sizing. So I did size up to a size 26 in these shorts, and they fit me perfect. I actually love the fit of these shorts. So, and I went in and paired it with these slides initially that actually came from Torrid. Now, I got these slides from Torrid about 2 years ago. Now, I like Torrid and they sandals and stuff like that. These slides, when I checked at the time of me filming this video, they're not actually still available, but Torrid does have some other cute little slides that you guys can go in and grab to match with this particular look. And then, of course, my jewelry, I kept it kind of simple this go around. I just put on my big chunky silver bracelets, honey, that I picked up. Where I get these bracelets from? I either got them from Ashley Stores or Amazon, but I have the right thing down in the description box from y'all. And then, of course, just my little cute little bracelet that I have on here. Now, let's do a quick intermission and talk about the shoes. Now, I was initially going to wear this look with some heels, but my spirit, I was just like, I don't really feel it at this moment. So I'm actually going to grab the shoes that I was initially going to wear just for all of my heel wearers out there. And these shoes are actually going to give this a whole elevated look. One moment, please. All right, y'all. So these are the actual shoes that I was going to pair with this look, and I feel like these shoes would have went great. They are a thick, chunky heel. They're actually very comfortable. This particular shoe, they strap around the ankle. There is elastic right here in this little band just to kind of give you some extra offense to it. I guess that makes sense. Now these shoes actually came from Macy's. They're part of the Fashion to Figure brand. Now I did get these shoes in a size 13 because let me just show y'all, like right up in here in this part, y'all, it's tight. So when I originally ordered the size 12, I was like, I don't like the way they feel. I sent them back, got the 13 just to give me some extra comfort in my feet. But these was the shoes that I was initially gonna wear, but I opted for my flats. So cousin, you're struggling creating content, right? And you feel like you are all over the place, you overwhelmed, you don't know what you should post, you don't know when you should post, you feel like the algorithm is against you and all of the things. Girl, I know exactly how you feel, cousin. And that is why I created the Content Edition. What is the Content Edition? The Content Edition is my course for creators and also entrepreneurs to teach you how to create content. That's right. We're going over your target audience. Baby, listen, you got to know who you're talking to. We're going to get to your messaging because you need to know and make sure that you're talking to your audience right, okay? And I'm also going to show you how to be able to monetize, cha-ching, monetize your content. And I'm not just talking about getting paid from the platforms itself, but I'm saying you creating your own product or your service to be able to provide to your audience and sell to them, right? I look at it as getting paid from the platform, it's just a bonus, but it's always good when you have your own products, whether that's physical or digital, that you can sell to your audience. So if this is you and you are struggling in the area of creating, you don't know what a content strategy is, child, you just overwhelmed. You're like, child, I am about done with this. Then guess what? The Content Edition is just for you. So you can either scan the QR code right here on the screen, or you can click the link down below to go in and grab the course. Now it's time for the style swap. All right, so with the style swap, y'all, I just went in and paired this with a white button-down shirt because it is, like I said, a tailored type of short. White button-down shirt. I put on my big chunky necklace to go along with this, and then I went in and paired this with my lavender dunks that I have, and then also just a crossbody bag, sort of kind of giving it like a monochromatic type of look in a sense with all the different purples, right? And I even tested out putting on my purple glasses because y'all know that I cannot see in real life, right? So my purple glasses that I have on are actually from Zulu, and yes, they are prescribed. Just to kind of see, okay, if I did go in and wear this look out and I didn't want to put my contacts in my eyes, what would this actually look like with my glasses? So y'all listen, accessories matter, okay? Accessorize, because accessories do really make the whole entire look. Now, even if I didn't want to go in and wear my dunks, I could definitely go in and put my heels on that I showed you guys earlier in the video, just to go ahead and give this an elevated look. Maybe if I was going out on a date or either going to brunch with this look. So, and I have another style swap for y'all to pair with these shorts, okay? Now this is just a blue and white striped shirt for all of my cousins who's like, girl, I need some movement in my clothes. This blue and white striped shirt is actually perfect. This is another men's button-down shirt that I picked up from Amazon. I did get this shirt in a size 4X as well from Amazon, y'all. So this is for y'all who need a little movement in your clothes. Now, I also went in and paired this with my blue and white dunks as more of a casual look. Now, for those of you who are wanting more of an elevated style, always go in and throw in some heels on. You can definitely put some heels on with this look. You can even take the shirt, unbutton it a little, and tie it just to give it more of an elevated style with this look. But for me, I was keeping it casual, honey, because listen, sometimes we just need that quick get up and go look, and this outfit will definitely give you that. Now, of course, I just kept on my silver bracelets with this look, and also my silver hoop earrings. And then, just in case, if you are like me and you cannot see in real life, I put on my blue denim glasses that I picked up from Zulu. Oh, honey, it is now fit check time. Ew. All right, so y'all have to rate this down in the comments for me. Let me know, would you rock either one of these looks? Would you rock the big puffy shirt that I have on now? Or would you go with the more of the button down tailored look with your sneakers? Also, let me know how y'all feel about the heels. Would you really prefer the heels to go with it? Or will you say, nah, girl, let me stick with these sneakers and also the flats as well? And I forgot to tell y'all about one accessory, honey, and that is the silver bag that I initially showed you, which is from Glamaholic Lifestyle. Y'all, if y'all don't know nothing else, baby, I hope y'all know who Mia Ray is. She is the owner of Glamaholic Lifestyle, honey, and she carries an array of bags, travel stuff, purses, crossbody bags, like all of the things on her site. And yes, she is black owned, and she is based out of Detroit, Michigan, if I have that correctly. So the Glamaholic bag will be linked in the description box below. I love that bag. It's big, it's spacious, it's roomy. Even my daughter has one of the bag, honey, and she is at college, and she calls it her backpack sometimes. That's just how roomy and big it is, because she put her laptop and all the things off in there. Now, honey, of course, it is time to shop the closet. So, cousin, everything that I have talked about in this video, honey, from head to toe, with the exception of my slides from Tori, is actually available. You can scan the QR code right here on the screen, or you can click the link down in the description box below and shop the closet. But cousin, like I be telling y'all, if you don't need to buy nothing, don't buy nothing, okay? You may already have something in your closet like this, but if you don't, please feel free to go in and shop the closet, all right? I'm going to even have my strapless bra and also the bandos that I talk about all the time. Those are going to be linked down in the description box, or even if you scan the QR code right here on the screen, cousins. So don't forget, make sure that you guys do the fit check. Rate it down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? All right, cousins. So as I tell you guys all the time, honey, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, and make sure that you do what? Honey, make sure that you own it. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.